Give big applause for Jaguank Talenta with Talempong music performance. Okay, big applause for Jaguank Talenta with the Talempong performance. And I know. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we can see Jaguank playing Talempong music, it's a traditional music instrument for West Sumatra. Wait, Jaguank, may I know something for you? What the kind of music you have played before?
This name music is named Talempong.
And then combine with what?
I want to try to combine with modern music, ADM. So it's traditional and modern. So
Okay. Combine music, traditional music and modern music. As we know, do you know the title of the song, Despacito? Yeah, great. Everyone know Despacito here. Thank you so much for cooperation. Okay, big applause for Jaguank Talenta. Right, ladies and gentlemen, actually this is the end of our performance, but we have the special one at the end, so don't go anywhere, still on the seat, right? Okay, Sumbar Talenta Indonesia has also successful to compile the legendary Minang song through the album Sumbar Talenta in 2015. And today, the 7 delegates of Sumbar Talenta Indonesia are proud to present dancing, song, music, and also others from all of you, and already you see together. So, ladies and gentlemen, and actually, we just arrived at the end of performance, and so I want to say thank you so much for all of attention from you, and also opportunity for us. And don't forget, we will come again, perform again at 7 p.m. tonight in this evening. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, as a closing performance, I will show to you the special medley song from us to you, jingle Talenta, Tanah Airku, and Ayun Ayun song. So please welcome all artists and talent of Sumbar Talenta Indonesia.